match. First referee, Mr. Dante Malazarte, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Meralco Power Spikers. Let's start off with jersey number 2, Abigail Maraño. At number 3, Maria Concepcion de Guzman. Wearing jersey number 4, Stephanie Mercado. At number 8, Zarmaine Velez. Wearing jersey number 13, Maika Morada. At number 17, April Ross Hingpit. Libero, number 12, Jeneline Reyes. Head coach, Mr. Brian Esquivel. Calling on our PLDT Home Telpad Turbo Boosters. Let's start with jersey number 1, Ruby De Leon. Wearing jersey number 2, Rizabel De Vanadera. Team captain is jersey number 3, Suzanne Roses. At number 5, Gretchel Soltones. Wearing jersey number 11, Lawrence Ann Latigay. And at number 14, Maria Rosario Charo Soriano. Libero, number 6, Leslie Ann Gata Pantone. Head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayer. Good luck to both teams.
So, all-Filipino matchup here between Meralco and the PLDT Home Telpad mula po rito sa San Juan Arena. At sa ilang sandali po, malalaman natin kung sino yung unang magkakaroon ng panalo dito sa dalawang magkabilang kupunan. Noel Zarate po, kasama si tita mo si Ravenna. Ayan, my dog out. Oh, ayan, nasama na yung Twitter mo yan. Hiningi eh.
Sabi ko na.
Hashtag, it's for the fans. Magkasama na si tita mo. Again, two imports, two teams without imports.
Maganda naman, maganda. Balanse.
Kung ang balanse itong dalawang kupunan na ito. So, it will be very interesting to see itong kupunan ng Meralco. Actually, medyo hindi pangkaraniwan ang starting lineup dito nitong kupunan ng Meralco. No Maureen Penetrante Owano in the starting lineup. Gretchel Soltones will be serving first para dito sa PLDT Home Telpad, and we are underway. Love Hingpit, pinigay dito kay Abby Maraño kaagad. Jen Reyes, pinuhay kaagad yung bola. One more try para kay Maraño. Nandun naman si Roses. Back set ngayon. Soltones, back row attack. And the first point belongs to the Turbo Boosters.
That was from back row attack. So, pinakita kagad ng PLDT na medyo malawak ang kanilang atake ngayon. Marami silang baon. Diba?
Maraming baon at of course, isang report natin dito, I'm sure Rina will talk about this later. Si Luan Latiga is actually playing with a fever. Sa larong ito ngayon, and na-miss by Panay Mercado. So, 2-0 ngayon para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT Home Telpad. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Nice to see Abby and Paning, no?
Abby Paning, magkakasama pa rin. And here is a wicked jump serve galing kay Gretchel Soltones. Nice block by Charo Soriano. Maraño once again. Puro Maraño so far tumitira para di sa Meralco. Free ball given up by Sue Roses. Here's Morada setting up Panay Mercado. And Mercado again. No.
Goes out again. Not enough spin. So, decent start for Meralco.
So 3-0 para din sa PLDT Home Telpad. Dalawa po doon. Galing sa hitting error.
Malapit na ilabas ni Coach Brian yung live wire.
Charo Soriano!
Ano ba kasi?
Kukuryentehin na yung kanya kupunan. Pero Charo Soriano nakakuha ng regalo and converting it at an Ateneo Lasal matchup din wala sa gitna. No? Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Of course, different generations. Charo Soriano from Ateneo and Abby Maraño from Lasal. What a reception there coming from Jen Reyes. Running attack para kay Maraño.
And that goes
finally,
in. Yes. Abby getting that corner.
So after 4 attempts, nakuha na finally ni Abby Maraño yung kanyang unang puntos. At unang puntos din para sa Power Spikers. There's April Ross Hingpit. Ayun yung tinatawag siya sa kanyang nickname. Ayan.
Ayan. ikaw ang may kasalanan.
Oh, yan yan. One of the better setters to come out of Lasal Bacolod. Ito naman si April Rosingpip or Love Love. Yan.
Love. Yan
Love,
talaga
Love,
yung tawag sa akin. Love.
Ruby
Oh,
Galeon
ay.
with the service ace.
Very ka corner, yung short staff ni Ruby.
Alam naman natin si Ruby, yung kanyang serve. Nakabantay pa natin linesman sa paa niya eh.
No.
Pag nagsiserve.
Oh, but that goes long.
So, 6-2 ngayon para sa kupunan ng PLDT Home Telpad. Nikas is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Two-time UAAP MVP Abigail Moraño now to serve para sa Power Spikers. Making her Shakey's V-League debut. Second game na niya dito sa Shakey's V-League. At yan, sabi.
Ano muna, feeling it. Trying to feel it.
Pero when you talk about vocal leaders, walang
Ayan.
hihigit dyan kay Abby Moraño. 7 deuce.
Tsaka pati sa laro.
Yes. Charo on the serve. Good read by Moraño.
That's right.
Dalawang service errors na kagad para dito sa PLDT Home Telpad. And this will bring up Stephanie Mercado or Pareng Mercado. Yan. Roger London Bridge is falling down. Gorayab.
Tea with the queen?
Yeah.
Kaya ano kaya nakipag-chat ako dyan. Are you having tea with the queen?
Yan. De Leon lifts it up. Soltones for Roses. Off the hands of Zarveles.
Veles, a very tall Veles.
That's right. 8-3. Maganda panimula para dito sa PLDT Home Telpad.
More eager to bounce back in today's ball game. Katulad ng sabi ni Coach Brian kanina, he describes the team as a very young team with a lot of veteran players for the reason that the team was only formed a month ago. And just as Noel mentioned earlier, nasa likuran ko nga itong ating dalawang import players ng Meralco Power Spikers, sina Kotruang and Tan Misao, because they're still waiting for their international transfer certificate from the FIVB. And with this all-Filipino lineup, Coach Brian is expecting and will be giving a chance to everyone to be playing for this ball game. Now, update muna tayo kay Abby Moraño, who's now 80% okay for today's game after suffering from a second-grade right ankle sprain during one of their tune-up games a week ago. At ito rin, para sa kupunan naman ng PLDT Home Telpad, si Luan Latigan, may fever nga siya, pero ang sabi niya nga sa akin kanina, ilalaro daw niya ito para mailabas niya yung pawis niya dito sa laro nito. Noel?
Kanina si Luan natutulog sa sahig eh. Diyan sa may entrance dun siya
Klase.
nakatusay.
Yan yung kanyang kagagaling ang mga players
Sabi nga,
natin.
alam mo Luan, may sopa kami doon. Mas gusto daw niya sa sahig.
Tsaka ibang klase, di ba? Parang pwede namang, di ba? Yung iba
Oo.
dyan siguro hindi na matutulog na or hindi na lang, hindi
Right.
na ilalaro. Pero, di ba? You give credit sa mga athletes natin dito sa Shakey's League.
In the meantime, Hingpit
Ang lakas ng Meralco pag naglaro
That's
yung,
right.
yung kanilang imports, ha?
Soltones now. Morada. Hingpit. Back row attack. Abby Moraño. Kept alive by Pantone. Long rally. Ito ngayon si Roses. Hingpit. Morada galing sa likod. Roses binuhay. Latigay sending it to Soltones at hindi na itawid ni Gretchen.
That's right. That's into the net. So, point goes to Meralco.
And speaking about the international transfer certificate, ano yan makukuha naman yan in a couple of days. So that will be something, a process that every guest player will have to work on. At the moment they get that, Miss Altanyama, Juanita Kotruang, si Amporn, at saka ito si Pachari Sangwang will be able to suit up. Pati na rin yung mga upcoming imports. May imports na darating, para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT. Ano kwento naman natin, nasa kana? Pag dumating na.
Surprise.
Surprise! Alam na po namin kung sino.
Surprise.
Surprise ka lang. Concon de Guzman is blocked by Devanadera pero lalabas. Of course, Concon de Guzman, better known as Concon Legaspi. Doon naglalaro pa siya para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Ayan, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made, former St. Benil star, Zarveles. With the serve, ayaw niya maalala yung kanyang college space.
So medyo nga, malasal itong yung
That's
kumpuna
right.
ni Coach Brian.
You have Concon de Guzman. who is
Iba-ibang lasal.
Oh, from Lasal Dasma.
Oh.
Of course, Lasal main itong si Mercado at saka si Morano.
Oano.
And Maureen Penetrante Oano. And Celine Hernandez who's making her
Yeah.
volleyball comeback.
Felix is from Benil.
Yeah, at ito naman si Love Love, taga Lasal Bacolod.
Yeah.
De Guzman. Almost getting that one through. Free ball. Hingpit. Running attack. Moraño. Latigay ngayon. De Leon. Quick set. Masyado mababa para kay Charo.
Right. Too low for Charo.
Bumababa na po ang kalamangan ng PLDT Home Telpad. 10 puntos ang naitala nila. 7 puntos na para dito sa Meralco. And the Shakey's P-League is powered by Meralco Battery pang matagalan. Light battery. Ano ba yung Meralco? Tinitignan ko. Babawi tayo mamaya, pari. Meralco naglalaro. Meralco battery.
Gusto ko yung battery na yun. Mapatagal-tagal maubusan.
Oo.
Lalaki nun, ha? Lalaki. Mala generator.
Light battery. Babawi tayo mamaya. Gusto mo lima pa natin yan. Yan.
Mala generator.
Oy! Konkon, masyado matalim yung kanyang serve. Masyado mababa. So, balik sa tatlong kalamangan dito ng PLDT Home Telpad. Diba tinirin ba yun?
Ito
Yung
na.
Telpad meron.
Soltones now on the line.
There's Gretchen
Ito
Susarica, out of San Sebastian. Estudyante pa rin po sa San Sebastian yan. Maranyo, dug up there by Roses. Hulog ni Ruby, nato si Jen Reyes. Hingpet for Panay Mercado. Ruby and Charo dropping it away. Charo, talo sa Chows kay Hingpet. Long rally once again. Latigay. Kay Guzman. Hingpet. Running attack and Maranyo could not get it across.
Alam mo, bilib ako dito kay Abby. Kakikita ko lang dito. Laki pa nung ankle niya nung
Right.
na-spray siya.
Uy, ang laki ng pinayat ni Abby from her days in the collegiate ranks. Ngayon, mas agile, mas mabilis.
Yes.
Ang pinapakita niyang laro dito. So, 4-point lead now for the Turbo Boosters. Here's the jump serve once again from Soltones. De Guzman. Hingpit, inangat para dito kay Paneng pamimigay.
Free ball now given to PLDT. Oh, pero walang connection doon sa last play na yun.
Running si Charo. Wala namang tres dito si Luan.
Nagkatinginan tapos dial tone.
Dahil doon talaga. ano?
Dial tone.
Oh. 12-9. Hingpit on the serve. Here's De Leon. Soriano. Third back by Mercado. Roses will do the setting for Luan. Latigay na abangan doon ni Micah Morada.
And the Latika was well read by Morada. Take a look at this once again.
Micah is not the tallest player, pero ang ganda ng instinct niya that time.
Tsaka sarado eh. Maganda yung pagkasarado sa down the line.
Right. So Love Hingpit once again. To put it in play. Sharp serve from Hingpit. Latigay. Dug up again by Jen Reyes. Everywhere na naman to si Jen Reyes, ha?
Di ba nakita mo ito, even si Pantone, parang pagdaling-daling sila kumuha
Oo.
ng bola kahit napakahirap na nung reception ng mga days.
Dive na naman ni Jen Reyes that time. Pantone naman this time. Here's Latigay on the push. Kept alive. Another long rally. Jen Reyes tinawid. Pantone. De Leon. Combination Latigay. Mercado. Hingpit. Back to Paneng. Paneng off the block. Walang sumaklolo kay Rubin.
That's right. Poor coverage on the side of PLDT.
At malaki ang magiging responsibility dito ni Paneng Mercado to pick up the scoring slack of Juanita Cotruang.
Kaya
So-
maganda nga lang, pareho silang walang import, di ba?
Yun, oo.
nakakaganda ron.
And now the serve coming from Hingpit. Kapong pa nagsiserve po itong si Love. Pantone. De Leon. Back row attack. Galing kay Soltones. Kept alive by Hingpit. Here's Mercado. Roses. De Leon. Latigay. Good defense. Morada. Second ball.
And Morada really wanted that. She knew that spot was empty. Nakita mo yung cut shot na ginawa niya?
Right. At nalito si Soltones.
Tinapyas yung bola and they really wanted to go to that corner.
Micah Morada. Ano bang original position ito? Quicker to, di ba?
Hindi, ito, ano rin to ha? All position.
Oo nga, all positions. Pero sa FEU,
Ano yun? May nag-open yan, middle.
oh, this is pa nakakanitong player. De Guzman digs it up. Hingpit, sending it across. Mercado, napakakuna naman si Soltones.
And Meralco just looking for those open spots on the PLDT's defense, just like this one. Hindi na masyado pinahihirapan ng buhay, hanap boots lang.
And again, si Gretchen Soltones, last line of defense, hindi na akilos that time. Hingpit, last year pa nagsaserve.
Grade 2 pa yata siya.
Grade 2 Grabe, loyalty award.
Meron.
Latigay into the net.
Again, the defense of Meralco really working for them.
2-point lead for the Power Spikers. At ito ngayon, palitan ng tao, upo muna si Luan, papasok muna si Batman.
Si Luan at si Batman.
Andyan na rin si Superman sa loob. So,
Si
Angela
Sue?
Benting. Si Sue, si Superman, si Angela Benting, si Batman. At ito si Love Love, pagmamahal.
Si Wonder Woman.
Yan, kanina pa kasi nagsaserve.
Ayan.
And napalakas
Pinantik
tuloy.
mo.
14-13. Service error kontra dito kay Hingpit, pero may isang puntos pa rin na kalamangan ng Meralco. Ruby De Leon.
Oh, nice serve.
Reyes, dati niya kakampi sa NU. Tumanggap ng bola, Mercado. Soriano, iniwan para kay Benting. And Pantone kept it alive. And hello, Charo, are you okay?
Good effort. Shown to us by BRDD.
Grabe yung habol doon ni Pantone. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya nabasa na at doon babagsak yung bola.
Yun nga yung maganda dun sa... itong dalawang libero na to. Si
Right.
Zenza at si Leslie. Iba bumasa na ang bola. Hindi na tinatanggal yung mata sa bola kung mapapansin mo. Yun yung tingin kong technique na ginagawa ng isang libero. Hinahanap talaga yung bola kahit saan mapunta.
Pero-
Tapos sumusunod yung paa.
Yan. Pero sa
Yung
mga-
paa sumusunod.
Pangalawang pagkakataon, service error na naman si Maranyo. Charo Soriano now. A good serve. Hingpit on the back set, Morada. Process. De Leon, back to Sue. Sue off the net. Kinuha naman niya ni Maranyo. Hingpit, sending it to Morada once again. Soltones, ito na naman yung mga long rally natin. Benting, kept alive there by Roses. De Leon, back to Benting. Hingpit, sa kabila naman ngayon, para kay Mercado.
Good defense by both teams.
And Roses drops it in.
And it ends with a drop shot by Sue.
Tabla tayo, 15-all. Muntik na matapakan ni Jen Reyes si Abby Maranyo. Sa pagbagsak dito, kita mo, oink, ano yung hurdles. Ginawa ni Jen Reyes.
Ay, ito dyan eh. Baklase yan eh.
15-all.
Happy-happy lang lagi.
That's right. Charo Soriano on the serve. Maranyo receives. Hingpit, kabila. Morada, naabangan ni Divanadera. At magkakaroon ulit ng isang puntos sa kalamangan nitong PLDT home tail pad sa ating second technical timeout. Serve. Isa pa yung mga walang pasalubong kailangan natin kantsawan. Mga nagbakasyon na hindi nagdadala pasalubong kay Tita Mosi. Bad.
Akin na naman. Ikaw talaga.
Roses.
Ikaw yun eh.
Hingpit. Not a good set. Papunta rito kay Mercado.
Free ball.
De Leon.
Oh, there you go.
Sasa.
Sasa de Banadera on that quick hit. At ito, naglaban yan. Yung Vélez at de Banadera.
That's right.
NCAA.
Pero itong si Sasa, makita mo, bumalik na yung kanyang dating form. The quickest quick hitter of them all.
Meralco with 5 attack points. At dahil dun kay Sasa de Banadera, naging 5 na rin dito sa PLDT.
Jen Reyes on the reception, Hingpit on the back set
Oh!
ng Morada. At papuntang Ortiga, sabi nyo na po yung bolang yun.
Flat yung pagkatira, pero ang lakas.
And a timeout here by Brian Esquivel. Lumamang na po ng 3 ulit itong PLDT home tail pad. Kaya at si Rina Villamor mula po rito sa San Juan Arena. Women's division naman tayo na Shakey's P-League. Maranyo on the reception. Hingpit, quick set to Zarveles. Nandun naman si Soltones. Angela Benting, airborne.
Oh!
At Hingpit kept it alive, pero si Mercado hindi nakita kung saan napunta yung bola.
That's right. So PLDT now with a 4-point lead. Highlight to kanina eh.
Oh, at si Charo, kanina pa nagsaserve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Charo again. Reyes. Velez sending it to... Alam ko, papasok pa yung tira doon ni Micah Morada eh.
Tumama kasi sa tape ng net and it went out.
2015, biggest lead now para sa PLDT.
Bumulusok itong PLDT dito sa serve.
Not that Charo is
Charo,
serving...
sorry.
Oh, hindi naman malalakas yung serve ni Charo.
Oh,
Ayun.
no, yung steady serves kasi, syempre, okay din yun. That, yung play, di ba? Hindi
Right.
disrupt. Katulad doon, syempre, if you errors sa serve, di tapos kagad, that's puntos pa para sa kalaban.
And now Mercado to serve, trying to keep Meralco in this first set. Nice serve from Paneng. De Leon, binuhay. Soltones, tinira galing sa likod. Napakalakas.
That was a very long hit coming from Soltones.
And Mercado, of course, former De La Salle University stalwart. Pantone. De Leon, De Banadera, tulak.
And it's a net violation. That's right.
As
Vélez
against
with a
Zar,
net
oo.
violation, Right.
Zar Velez is 6 feet tall. So talagang pag nadali yung mga appendages niya dyan sa taas, yan, huling-huli. Benting, serving for the first time for
Mahirap ba
PLDT.
i-contain yung mga mahabang
Oo.
kamay?
Here's De Guzman. De Leon, Roses, nice block by Concon.
That was well read by Concon.
So Concon De Guzman, the former La Salle Das Marinas.
Nakakatuwa, no? Dati,
Player.
syempre, Legazpi, no?
Oh, Legazpi ang apelyido niya dati.
Ang dami sa Concon.
Oo, ito,
Gatas.
Owano. Oh, penetrante, naging Owano. Ito, Elsie Curly Quemada. Quemada pa rin. Apelyido. Former St. Benil player as well.
Right, oo.
Sa pagpasok.
Maganda rin mag-serve yan eh.
Maganda.
Wag ko lang usugin, pero...
Pero again, it's like having a second libero in the
Yung short
lineup.
staff.
Oo.
Maganda
Combination.
mag-serve.
Soltones, Velez Binuhay. Reyes, Hinangat for Concon. Soltones. Zar Velez cannot convert. Balik ulit ni Jay Gretchen. Wala sa pwesto. Hinangat na lang ni Concon. Happy Maranyo. Long rally na naman. Double attack. Oh! Sue Roses getting it off the hands of the defense. Hindi ko nakita yon. Hindi ko nakita yon.
Hindi nagustuhan ni Coach Brian.
Hindi ko nakita kung may tumamang kamay.
Let's take a look at this once again.
The contention is si Velez daw ang nakatapi. And a timeout called by Meralco. 4-point lead.
Hindi ko nga tape, di ba, ng net.
Right. Reception there by Maranyo. Hingpit sending it over to De Guzman.
Well read by Sue.
Soltones! Lalabas sa kamay ni Hingpit.
And so powerful. Yun na nga kay Soltones. Good and bad.
Right.
Malakas yung palo niya. So, minsan hindi niya rin makontain herself. Yung lakas. So, nag-outside, mahaba. Pero pag solid naman, nako, pakalakas.
Ito ngayon, again, the defense testing Soltones. De Banadera, Jen Reyes, Love Hingpit, Concon De Guzman, Ruby De Leon, Gretchen Soltones, ilangat over Hingpit.
Smart move there. Soltones pushing it over the blockers.
And now 6 set points para sa Turbo Boosters. Captain Ross is serving. Out. Uy! Pasok!
Pumasok.
It looked like it was heading out, but again, Sue Roses, inira muna yung remote control ni Takis. At yun na nag-isa ni sa pagkapanalo nitong kupunan ng Turbo Boosters sa ating first set. Shaky, shake and play. Gretchen Soltones over the defense para sa PLDT Home Telpan.